Big story coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has set a firm deadline for 3 major under construction projects on the Indus Waters Treaty River with the Indus Waters Treaty in abeyance. So this is the Pakal Kul Dam. It is the Kiru and Kwar dams on the Chenab. So Pakal Dul and Kiru are to be commissioned by December 2026. So by the end of this year, power projects will get a major boost. The power grid will get a major boost from run-of-the-river dams in Jammu and Kashmir. It's a huge blow to Pakistan and Pakistan state-sponsored radical Islamist terror, given the fact that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had made it very clear, blood and water cannot flow together. So Kwar project, of course, is scheduled for completion by March 2028. But these projects are now being speeded up. The images that you see on your television screen is Manohar Lal Khattar, the water minister in Jammu and Kashmir. He's completed a 2-day strategic review of these projects. These projects will optimally utilize India's share of the Chenab River water and fast-track long-pending infrastructure projects within international norms. The message from the Narendra Modi government to a state sponsor of radical Islamist terror, Pakistan, is very clear. India is accelerating power infrastructure in Jammu and Kashmir that will benefit the people of Jammu and Kashmir and the rest of the country, and it continues to tighten the screws on a state sponsor of radical Islamist terror, that military jihad infrastructure. If it wants to bleed India, it will have a very parched throat. Listen to Manohar Lal Khattar. I'll get you more on this big story.
कोई बयानबाजी का अर्थ नहीं है, क्योंकि अब जो इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी का जो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने घोषणा कर दी है कि वो बेंच में रखी गई है, क्योंकि आतंकवाद को लगातार वो प्रयोग करते रहे हैं। इस हिसाब से पाकिस्तान की किसी प्रकार की बात की परवाह नहीं करें। कोई बयानबाजी का अर्थ नहीं है, क्योंकि अब जो इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी का जो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने घोषणा कर दी है कि वो बेंच में रखी गई है, क्योंकि आतंकवाद को लगातार वो प्रयोग करते रहे हैं। इस हिसाब से पाकिस्तान की किसी प्रकार की बात की परवाह नहीं करें।
So blood and water cannot flow together. That's the message from India to a state sponsor of terror. I want to bring in my colleague Sunil Ji Bhatt, who joins us from Jammu for more on the story. Sunil Ji, once these projects are speeded up, it helps Jammu and Kashmir and it adds more power to the grid. It also brings in more employment. Give us details of the strategic review.
Absolutely, Gaurav. Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar was on a 2-day visit to Jammu and Kashmir, and he reviewed the progress of the hydroelectric power projects here in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in Jammu region. These power projects are being built over Chenab River. The ancient name of Chenab River is Chandrabhaga River, and whether it's the Ratle Power Project and other power projects, Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar himself reviewed the progress, and he gave clear directions to the officials that there should be no further delay as far as completion of these projects is concerned. These projects should be completed as soon as possible, because the long-term plan of the government is to deny every single drop of water from the Chenab River as well as from other 2 western rivers, whether it's the Indus River or the Vitasta River, that's the Jhelum River. So new projects are also coming up, and the government has also set a deadline for it. So clearly government has shown a big will. Gaurav, if you remember, after the Uri terror attack, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said that water and blood cannot flow together. But after the horrific Pahalgam terror attack, the government decided to take strong steps, and the first non-military option that was explored was to keep the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance. And now
that's
the government
huge
is
step.
trying to
We'll get you
speed
more
up.
on that story. We'll get you more on that story, including how there are tears in Pakistan. You know, all that bravado, they may talk a lot, but this is something that will lead to tears in Pakistan, and that will make Pakistan a state sponsor of radical Islamist terror sweat. Sunil Ji, many thanks for the moment.